Yes, beta. Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your place and are following precautionary measures in this period of corona pandemic. Now, beta, your vacation is over. Enjoyed your vacations? Of course. I know you all have enjoyed a lot. But, bache, now back to your routine work. Today we will do lesson 7 of your GK book. Today we will do lesson 7 of your GK book, beta. So open your GK book at page number 13. Open your GK book at page number 13, bache. Now beta, lesson 7 is plant products. Lesson 7 is plant products, beta. All of you know very well about plants. Today we will discuss what we all get from plants, or we can say what things plants give to us. Clear, beta? Today we will discuss what things we get from plants. Yes, beta. First thing is we get spices from plants. We get spices from plants. There are different types of spices like turmeric, cardamom, black pepper, nutmeg. All these spices we get from plants. So first thing we get from plants is spices. Clear, beta? Next is we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Clear? From where do you get fruits and vegetables? Of course, from plants. Now next is, beta, there are many plants which have medicinal value like tulsi, neem, ginger, garlic, and we prepare medicines from these plants. So we get medicines from plants. Clear, beta? We get medicines from plants. Next is we get oil from plants. We get different type of cooking oil from plants. The oil which we use to cook food. We get different types of cooking oils from plants, beta. Clear, beta? We get oil from sunflower, mustard, coconut, groundnut, etc. We get oil from plants, bache. Now next is we get fibers to make clothes from cotton and jute plants. We get fibers to make clothes from cotton and jute plant, beta. This is cotton plant and this is jute plant. Clear, beta? We get fiber for clothes from cotton and jute plants. Next, beta, we get perfumes. We get perfumes from rose and jasmine. We get perfumes from rose and jasmine. Next is we get pulses from plants. We get pulses from plants. These are different types of pulses, bache. These are different type of pulses. Pulses क्या होती हैं? दालें. So we get pulses from plants. Now what is this? This is rubber. What is this? This is rubber. From where do we get rubber? From rubber plant. This is rubber plant, beta. From where do we get rubber? From rubber plant. Clear beta? We get rubber from rubber plant. Now beta, the most important thing we get from plant is oxygen. Plants release oxygen and take carbon dioxide from atmosphere, and we need oxygen to breathe. Without oxygen, we can't live. So the most important thing these plants give us is oxygen. Is it clear beta? Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere which we breathe in. Next is beta, these question and blanks you will do in your fear notebook. These questions and blanks you will do in your fear notebook beta. First question is, name 5 things we get from plants. You can write down anything: fruits, medicine, spices, rubber, paper. Clear beta? You can write down any 5. And blanks are, we get oil from sunflower. We get dash from sunflower. We get oil from sunflower. We get perfume from dash. You can write down rose. You can write down jasmine here. Is it clear beta? You will do this question and these 2 blanks in your fear notebook beta. Clear beta? Now let's revise again. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. We get medicines from neem, tulsi, ginger and garlic. We get spices like turmeric, cardamom, black pepper, etc. We get cooking oils from sunflower, mustard, coconut or groundnut. We get fiber to make clothes. We get fibers to make clothes from cotton and jute. And we get perfumes from flowers like rose and jasmine. Clear beta? First is, we get spices from plants. Second is, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Next is beta, we get medicine from plants, neem, ginger and garlic. We get oil from plants. Then we get clothes from cotton and jute plants. We get fiber for clothes. Next beta, we get perfumes from rose and jasmine. We get pulses from plants. Then we get rubber from rubber plant bache. And last is the most important thing, we get oxygen from plants. Is it clear beta? You will do question and these 2 blanks in your fear notebook. Okay beta, this question and these 2 blanks you will do in your fear notebook beta. Is it clear beta? That's all for today bache. Have a nice day.